Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Roblox, there was a problem streaming data, please reconnect with the error code 261, then you have come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on Roblox. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come here and you're going to right click on your internet connection, go into network and internet settings, and then you're going to click onto advanced network settings here. And then you're going to click onto your network, you're going to go into more adapter options here. And then you're going to go into Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, go into properties, click use the following DNS server addresses right here 1.1.1.1 and then 1.0.0.1. Click OK, close this menu up. And then what you're going to do is you're going to disable your internet connection and then you're going to wait 15 to 20 seconds. After that, enable your internet connection, wait for it to connect, and once it's done enabled, then now you can go ahead and play your game and you'll see that you won't get that error 261 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.